VitalynLab Nattokinase is being promoted as a natural solution for reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and supporting heart health. But the real question is whether it actually delivers those benefits, or if it's just another overhyped supplement. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Nattokinase is a real enzyme derived from fermented soybeans, natto, and has been studied for its effects on blood clotting and circulation. However, here's the key point. There is no strong evidence that nattokinase directly reduces inflammation in a meaningful or reliable way. There are some limited positives. Nattokinase may help break down fibrin and support blood flow, potentially reduce clot-related risks, offer indirect cardiovascular benefits. Some early research even suggests it might influence inflammation indirectly, but this is not well proven or consistent. That said, there are important limitations. First, weak clinical evidence. There are very few high-quality human studies, and major sources state there's no solid proof for most claimed benefits. Second, not an anti-inflammatory supplement. It's primarily studied for blood clot and circulation effects, not inflammation. Third, branding versus reality. VitalynLab doesn't appear to offer anything unique. It's likely standard nattokinase sold under a different brand name. So, does VitalynLab Nattokinase reduce inflammation? Not in any proven or reliable way. The bottom line is this. VitalynLab Nattokinase is a real supplement with a legitimate enzyme, but the anti-inflammatory claims are overstated. It may support circulation slightly, but it's not a proven solution for inflammation, and expectations should be kept realistic. If your goal is reducing inflammation, approaches like diet, omega-3s, whole foods, exercise, and sleep clinically supported treatments will have far stronger and more consistent results than supplements like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.